Okay, so new day, new outfit, and mission get the magnet back is a go. And the majority of it here is going to be walkable, so we might as well have a little look and see what we can find on the way. Yes, welcome back everyone. Today I am trying to retrieve my magnet as I got it stuck in my last video. If you haven't watched it yet, then I will put a link down below. Quick disclaimer as I make my way across. Do not start jumping in rivers because you saw some random person do it on YouTube. Any body of water can be a cruel mistress given half the chance who is not forgiving. There's a lot of preparation that goes on behind the scenes when I make a video, and it's no secret that I am a bit of a bambino when it comes to magnet fishing, but I've been all over water related activities the majority of my life, personally and professionally. Even with that, it doesn't make me invincible. I have put a link in the description of this video to the RNLI's safety advice on open water swimming. At the end of the day, nothing's more important than your own safety. Don't ever put yourself in a stupid position. Right, have I found this magnet yet, or am I still faffing about? Mission successful. You coming in? Oh, it's lovely! Bath temperature! So at this point I was going to have a little look under the water to see what I could find, but alas, the water was far too murky to be able to see absolutely anything, apart from a couple of large items, one of them being this jumper, which has definitely seen better days. We've got a new jumper. Some local artwork, which we'll breeze right past. And this mighty fine palette along with a couple of others, and as I have the means to take all these away, I did just that. Okay, so this is everything that we've got out. The smaller bits from the magnet fishing are all here. We've got this lid, which would have been a round lid of something. I'm assuming a bin or something like that, I have no idea. Tent pole, bits like this, no idea, but they are ready for the bin. Many different bottle caps as usual. They're never the same. I very rarely get two the same, they're always different ones. This is one of those things you get on the alcohol bottles in shops. So that's why I said someone's been on the rub. Got this off, chucked it in the river and enjoyed their Friday night. The fishing wire, 4p, which is going to go straight into my Barbados fund. I am 4p closer. This doorknob, I think I'll be able to clean that up, so I'm going to give that a go and see if I can do anything with it. Thank you, boy. Get away. The jumper as well, it's looking pretty rough, but I'm going to give it a go. Why not? In for a penny, and I've got 4 of them, so we'll give it a go. We'll see if we can clean that. And the 4 pallets? No, 3 pallets. I did just quickly ask a couple of the locals if they knew anything about them, because I didn't want to take them if they were part of something that I didn't understand, and no one knew anything about them, so I'm assuming they were all just debris from something, so I've taken them out. Oddly, one of them did have a magnet on it, part of a magnet on it, as you can see. But yeah, assuming they were just junk that had been left down there. What I am thinking though, I could just recycle these, or I could try and make something out of them, which is what I'm thinking. So, watch this space. Okay, we've now reached the end of the video. Indeed we have, and considering I didn't have a lot of time this week, I don't think I did too badly. So, the brass part of the doorknob is looking much shinier than when we started, but the other part I think may crumble if I try to put too much pressure on it, which is why I'm leaving it exactly how it is. The jumper has come out super bright and white, but unfortunately there are some stains that will not budge. Looks like you are destined for recycling, my friend. And rather excitingly, my Barbados fund is officially in motion! Yay! If I carry on like this, I should be able to afford it in about 10 years. Don't forget, if you do enjoy these types of videos and want to see me restore and make much more wonderful, amazing things out of what I find underwater, then do think about subscribing so I can actually spend more time on my videos. Right now I've got a sub goal of about 500 and would love for you to be part of the crew. Thanks for watching, see you next time.